ole tun truma chuanin February sang ni som ni panga test kan lo review don ni tunami hi kinetic theory le thermodynamics ania number 1 atang hian lo entran ta ila question number 1 a chuan the first law of thermodynamics expresses aditani first law of thermodynamics chu conservation of energy ni option B kha a equation chu heat added to the system is equal to change in internal energy plus work done ani chuan number 1 answer chu option B conservation of energy khani ta a chuan question number 2 hilo en le ta ila which of the following is incorrect regarding first law of thermodynamics aditani first law of thermodynamics a chuan enge diklo aditani a it is a restatement of law of conservation of energy he chu dika conservation of energy in the first law B it is applicable to cyclic process adika C it introduces the concept of entropy he diktalotani concept of entropy chu law dang first law B ka chuanim conservation of energy ngor khani tani chu wang chuan number 2 chuan C hi answer ani C hi adiklotani chuan question number 3 khalo en le ta ila 110 joules of heat is added to a gaseous system. The change in internal energy is 40 joule. Then the amount of external work done is aritani. Le gaseous system akhan heat can supply that to 110 joule anita a. Chuanin change in internal energy kha 40 joule ani chuan external work done khamiron zotani. Le hemi titur chuanin first law of thermodynamics equation ka kan lo manganga Q is equal to delta U plus W kha chuan W hi miron zo wangin W chu Q minus delta U change in internal energy khani ta ni chuanin Q kha 110 ani ta a minus 40 chu equal to 11 minus 4 770 joule kanitane chuan number 3 answer chu work done kha 70 joule option B khani chuan next question number 4 khalo en le ta ila the change in internal energy of a thermodynamical system which has absorbed 2 kilocalorie of heat and thus 400 joule of work is aitani ta chu number 3 ang lo deu hle khanin change in internal energy delta U value hi miron zota heat alak lu zat chu 2 kilocalorie ani tani chu 2 into 1000 calorie khani a chu joule kan convert chuanin hey 1 calorie hi 4.2 joule ani ta 2 into 1000 into 4.2 ani ta ni chuan hi ten kat thaya point chuan 2 into 4200 chuan 8400 joule ani ta ni hi ta lak lu za ta kha chuan anna tho zat work done kha 400 joule ani ta ni work done kha 400 joule ani ta delta U value khamiron zota ni chuan first law of delta U khamiron zota first law of thermodynamics atang khan heat is equal to delta U plus work done ani ta chuan chu delta U chu Q minus W khani ta ni chu Q kha 8400 minus work done 400 ani ta chuan 8000 joule ani ta ni 8000 joule chu 8 kilojoule answer chu option B khani number 4 answer chu option B khani ta next number 5 local le ta ila if the amount of heat given to a system is 35 joule and the amount of work done on the system is 15 joule then the change in terms of system is ritane work amount of heat given to the system kha 35 joule ani ta work done kha 15 joule ani ta ni chuan change in internal energy miron zo le ta ni chuan delta U chu Q minus W chuan hei work done on the system ani ta ni ta chuan physics a chuan work done on the system hi negative a kan la ta ni chuan ta chuanin work done hi minus 15 joule kan la don ni ta hian chuan heat kha 35 ani ta minus 15 joule mo helai chu chan chu eng wange kan ti chuanin hei hi work done on the system ani work done by the system chu ni se expansion work ani dona kha positive kan la physics b ka chuan physics subject ka chuanin work done by the gas si positive kan la work done on the gas si negative kan la thunga mar chu chemistry nan khana in reverse thunga chuan physics ani wangin physics ti dan kha kan langa 35 plus 15 physics clear na chawkan manga chuan hei chu 50 joule ani answer chu option D khani number 5 answer chu option D khani chuan question number 6 khale two cylinders A and B fitted with pistons contain equal amount of ideal diatomic gas at 300 Kelvin itani le cylinder pani kan nei ta cylinder A le cylinder B kan nei ta ni chuan piston kan fit ve ta ni ti hian piston ni ve ta chuan contain equal amount of ideal diatomic gas mo diatomic gas ain za chia ta ni ta hian diatomic ti chu molecule pakhat atom panhi ti na ni chuan the piston A is free to move while that of B is fixed ani ta ni B piston hi ain fixed ani cha theilo so hi chuan in volume of cylinder B tan chuan in volume a constant don ta ni chuan kan thria tur chu volume a constant chuan work done theilo tina khani ta ni chuan same amount of heat is given to the gas ati ta ni mo chuan Q kan supply a B a po Q kan supply heat in ang chia A le B a kan petani chuan if the rise in temperature of the gas in A is 30 Kelvin ita delta TA ten itaila temperature on sana hi 30 Kelvin ani chuanim the cylinder B a gas hi temperature engzatin nge aron san ve ang ti kha meron zo tani le hi chu a expand thei ta ni C hi chu a expand thei ta sorry gas cylinder A piston hi chu a expand thei ta ni ti hian chuan a expand thei chuanin pressure constant don ti na ni ta chuanin P is constant in cylinder A cylinder a chuan piston a constant don ta ni chuti ni chuanin heat kan supply zak tu chu number of moles into Cp delta Ta khani ta ni chuan B a ve thung chuanin volume a constant a chu wang chuanin work done omlova heat kan supply za chu N Cv delta Tb khani ve thung don ta ni chuan heat kan supply za thi ain an renga wang khan hi Qa de taila hi Qb heat kan supply za ain an renga wang khan kan equate ta Qa is equal to Qb a chan chu cylinder A le B a hian heat in ang ve kan peta ni chuan kha kan equate ta N Cp delta Ta is equal to N Cv delta Tb khani ta ni number of moles ain anga chuan Cp delta Ta kha 30 ni ta chuan Cv into delta Tb hi kan zon tur khani ta ni chuan delta Tb chu 30 into Cp by Cv khani ta chuan 30 into chuan Cp by Cv hi gamma khani ta ni specific ratio of specific heat chuan 30 into gamma ania in terms of degrees of freedom chuan 1 plus 2 by F khani F hi degrees of freedom khani ta chuan 30 into 1 plus anita chuan 2 by diatomic gas ani wangin vibrational mode kan neglect nga diatomic tan chuan degrees of freedom chu panga ni ta ni chuan 30 into hi chu 7 by 5 5 6 30 6 7 42 Kelvin chuti ni chuan in cylinder B change in temperature tur chu 42 Kelvin answer chu option D khani chuan number 7 a kal le ta ila number 7 a chuan a monoatomic gas at the pressure P and volume V is suddenly compressed to 1/8 of its original volume the final pressure would be tani le container omta a ti hian chunga gas kha omta ni chuan a initial volume hi let's say V ni ta sela chuan kan compress ta vak mai ni 1/8 a volume hi 1/8 ta tiang kan compress ta vak mai ta ni gas kamo chuan a final volume chu V by 8 ani chuan a question a hian in suddenly compress ati ta ni suddenly compress ani ta suddenly compression is one and process nge kan ti chuan adiabatic process ani ta ni mo adiabatic sudden change ka chu adiabatic ani tlang puita chuan adiabatic a chuanin equation tur chu pv gamma kha constant ani ta ni chuti ni chuanin p1 v1 power gamma is equal to p2 v2 power gamma kha ni ta a chuan p1 v1 power gamma p2 kha v1 by 8 power gamma kha ni ta ni chuan p1 hi p ni ta a ten lo zek lok tai la p v1 power gamma p2 ni ta a v2 power gamma by 8 power gamma sorry v1 chuan hei cancel thei ta ni chuan p2 chu 8 to the power gamma times p kha ni ta ni chuan equation khan in monoatomic gas ti min thril ta ni monoatomic gas ta chung gamma chu 1 plus 2 by f ani ta f kha degrees of freedom ani ta monoatomic gas tan chuan f hi 3 ani degrees of freedom 1 plus 2 by 3 ani ta gamma chu 5 by 3 kha ni ta ni chuan p2 tur chu 8 hi 2 to the power 3 kan zia kanga chuan power kha 5 by 3 into p chuan hein kan selanga chuan p2 tur chu 2 to the power 5 p2 to the power 5 chu 32 ni ta ni 32 p kha lo ni don ni khan answer chu option c kha ni number 7 answer chu option c kha ni chuan number 8 during an isothermal expansion the slope of pv graph ai ta ni isothermal expansion isothermal ani chuan temperature a constant a temperature a constant chuan Boyle's law kha man thei ta ni Boyle's law a khan pressure versus volume ai ta expansion a chuan volume lian don ani a graph chu tenaron omang chuti ni chuan slope of the graph tur chu eta decrease increase may increase or decrease adita si akhan remains same adita ne amaro chu a slope chu a same lo chianga te itia kan expand hian te expand chon volume lian tul tul chon hi a graph a zol de tiel don ti na ni chuni chonin a slope a decrease ti na ni number 8 answer chu option a kha anita a chuan number 9 tuna when heat is given to a gas in isothermal change ati isothermal a chuan enge constant temperature constant ani temperature constant chuan change in internal energy hi 0 ni ta ni chuan chuti ni chuanin the result will be adita ni first law of thermodynamics khalo en le taila q is equal to delta u plus w ni ta ni chuan temperature constant chuan delta u hi 0 ni sia chuti ni chuanin heat kan supply chu work done a kal ral vek don ti na ni chuan external work done rise in temperature chuin lo temperature constant increase in internal energy hei po hi constant don b le c chuin theilowa answer chu option a hi ni number 9 answer chu option a heat supply zong kha external work done a kal vek don tina ni ta ni chuan next number 10 which of the following holds good for an isochoric process adita ni isochoric a chuan volume a constant volume is constant ni volume a constant top chuni chuan volume a constant chuan in work done a omlo work done is 0 khani chuan hey no work is done on the gas no work is done by the gas mo volume a constant chuan gas a work done om theilowa gas pon work done anei theilo a expand theilowa a compress theilo bokani chuan chuti ni chuan work done on the gas a om theilowa work done by the gas po om theilowa chu wang chuan in answer chu option c khani both a and b number 10 answer chu option c khani chuan question number 11 hello en le ta ila in a cyclic process work done by the system is aitani mo work done by the system cyclic process a chuan system kha cyclic process a chuan system kha initial state a le ta nei system returns to its initial state chu wang chuan change in internal energy kha 0 aniang achan chu change in internal energy kha final internal energy minus initial internal energy kha ni ta a state ngaya le chuan in uf le ui final le initial value kha inang dona chu wang chuan in delta u kha 0 ni don ta ne chuan chu ti ni chuan first law of thermodynamics khalo en le taila q is equal to delta u plus w1 ta delta u 0 ni chuan in q hi w1 ni don ti na ni chu ti ni chuan in heat kan pek lu zong zong kha work done a kalvek don ti na ni chuan in a cyclic process work done by the system is equal to the heat given to the system mo answer chu option b kha ni next number 12 which of the following process heat is neither absorbed nor released by a system aita heat a absorb lo a release lo bok na process chu option b adiabatic khani adiabatic khani chua number 13 an ideal gas at 27 degrees Celsius is heated at constant pressure so as to double its volume aitani temperature T1 ka 27 degrees Celsius anita Kelvin chuan in 273 plus 27 chu 300 Kelvin kha ni ta ni 300 Kelvin chuan constant pressure ita ni P is constant pressure constant chu charge law kha ni ta ni charge law chuan charge law chuan volume is proportional to temperature kha ni ta this implies V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 kha ni ta ni chuan final temperature T2 kan zon tur ni ta is heated at constant pressure so as to double its volume mo chuni chuan volume kan double down V2 chu 2 times V1 ni ta ni kha substitute ta ila V1 by T1 kha 300 Kelvin ni ta V2 kha 2 V1 by T2 chuan T2 tur chu 300 into 2 chu 600 Kelvin kha ni amaro chu option kan ena 600 Kelvin kha omlo ta ni option kan en chuan in Celsius vek ani ta chu wang chuan Kelvin hi Celsius a le taila 600 minus 273 ani ta chu 10 minus 3 7 9 minus 7 2 5 minus 2 327 degrees Celsius answer chu option A kha ni number 13 answer chu option A hi ni next number 14 khalo en le taila ratio of volume occupied by hydrogen gas of mass 22 gram at two different pressure P and 2P if temperature remains constant atitani temperature constant question number 14 ahen temperature is constant chudini chuan Boyle's law kan mang thei ta ni Boyle's law chuan temperature constant a chuan P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 san chu pressure into volume kha constant ani temperature constant chuan if initial pressure kha P ni ta a V1 is equal to P2 kha 2 times P tro into V2 kha ni ta chuan V1 by V2 hi miron zo kha ni ta ni volume ratio 2P by P chu 2 is to 1 answer chu option B kha ni option B 2 is to 1 here ni next number 15 the ratio of number of molecules of a monoatomic and a diatomic gas in a vessel if the ratio of their partial pressure is aitanile partial pressure ratio ka nRT by V alo la taila chuan monoatomic anita ni P M ten taila mo M for monoatomic N ratio of number of molecules mo N hi number of moles ni ta maro chu number of moles and number of molecules ka chu direct proportion ni thau ta ni N M R T by V khanita a P diatomic mo N D R T by V khanita se chon ratio kan lak chonin PM by p d te na tala rt by v chu ein cancel don tho ta ni chan chu ai nang vekta a number of moles of monoatomic by number of moles of diatomic hi chuan in 5 by 3 kha tluk ta ni chuan number of moles chu number of molecules by Avogadro's number khani ta ni tin cancel nga 5:3 chu tin ni chuan in number of molecules of monoatomic to number of molecules of diatomic to 5:3 khani answer chu option C khani number 15 answer chu option C khani next number 16 question number 16 Boyle's law is applicable for tinitani Boyle's law chuan in tinge constant kan ti chuan temperature ani temperature constant na chu isothermal ani chu wang chuan in answer chu option B khani isothermal process number 16 answer chu option B isothermal process khani tani next number 17 a gas mixture consists of 2 moles of oxygen and 4 moles of argon at temperature T neglecting all vibrational modes the total internal energy of the system is aitani gas mixture khani kan nei ta a ti hian ta chuan in oxygen mole ni le 2 moles le argon 4 moles kan nei ta ni chuan kan thria tur chu oxygen hi diatomic ani ta ni oxygen chu diatomic ani ta neglecting all vibrational mode ati boka chu wang chuan in a degrees of freedom kha panga ni don ta ni chuan argon chu monoatomic ani ta a noble gas ani wangin a degrees of freedom chu pathum ani don ni chuan total internal energy miron zo ta ni total internal energy tur chu internal energy of oxygen plus internal energy of argon khani ta ni chuan a formula chu n into f by 2 r t mo tem an pani hian temperature ai nang ta n1 ti taila n2 f1 ti taila f2 by r 2 r t khani ta ni chuan n1 chu oxygen ni ta sela oxygen kha 2 moles ani ta ni chuan degrees of freedom panga ni ta a 5 by 2 rt plus n2 kha number of moles of argon 4 ni ta sela 4 into degrees of freedom pathum monoatomic 3 by 2 rt ni ta ni chuan 2 le 2 5 rt plus 6 rt ni ta combine to 11 rt ni chuan hi total internal energy khani tikhan answer chu option C khani 17 answer chu option C khani ta a chuan number 18 khale by what percentage should the pressure of a given mass of a gas be increased so as to decrease its volume by 10% at a constant temperature ai ta ni ta hian temperature constant don ta ni temperature constant chuan Boyle's law kan hmang thei Boyle's law kha kan hmang thei ta ni chuan omje chu a volume kha 10% a decrease turin pressure kha engza ngai ati ta ni chu ti ni chuan in final volume kha 10% a decrease chuan initial volume minus a decrease na zat kha kan payanga v1 ani chu ti ni chuan in v2 chu 90 by 100 times v1 ani ta ni chuan Boyle's law kha kan enta pressure kha apa increase percentage sa kan zon tur khani ta ni p1 v1 is equal to p2 v2 khalo ti taila p2 hi sa kan zon phot tur ani ta ni p2 kan zong phot anga chumin huwa engzat percent nga increase kan chule don ni p1 v1 by v2 chuan p1 v1 by 90 by 100 v1 ta chuanin P2 chu 10 by 9 times P1 ani ta ni chuan a increase na zat kha kan chu don ta ni P2 by P1 chu 10 by 9 ani ta engzat percent in nge P2 hi aron pun kha kan chu don ni chuan percentage increase en le taila P2 minus P1 by P1 into 100 kha ni ta ni chuan hi kan split anga P2 by P1 minus P1 by P1 into 100 ani ta hi chu 1 chuan P2 by P1 chu hela hian in 10 by 9 ani ta 10 by 9 minus 1 into 100 ani ta ni chuan chu tin ni chuan in 10 minus 9 by 9 into 100 chu 1 by 9 into 100 ani ta chuan a pressure punna za chu 11.1% vel khani answer chu option D khani number 18 answer chu option D khani ta next number 19 if the RMS speed of oxygen molecules at 0 degrees Celsius is 160 meter per second aditani let temperature 0 degrees Celsius oxygen RMS speed kha 160 meter per second ani chuanin 0 degree Celsius tho hian hydrogen hianin RMS speed hi engzat nge ne yang ti kha miron zo chuni ta ni le tian han ti taila RMS speed formula kha root over 3RT by m molar mass ani ta ni hi 1 molar formula kha mangri don ne chuti ni jonin temperature ai nang sia 0 degree Celsius ve ani ta ni temperature nang sia adang lam thil tu dur chu molar mass ani ta ni ti hian VH2 by VO2 tian ni taila chu root over 3RT by molar mass of H2 mo by root over 3RT by molar mass of oxygen kha ni ta ni chuan VH2 by oxygen kha 160 kha ni ta chuan 3RT cancel the root over MO2 by MH2 kha ni ta chuan MO2 chu molar mass of oxygen chu 32 gram ani ta hydrogen kha 2 gram ani ta ni chuan 16 chuan VH2 by 160 equal to root 16 ani ta root 16 chu 4 kha ni ta ni chuan in VH2 chu 4 into 160 chu 640 meter per second answer chu option A kha ni number 19 answer chu option A khani next number 20 at a given temperature which of the following gases possess maximum RMS velocity ani tani temperature in angveka khoi gas yan nge RMS velocity nga berang ti khani tani le RMS formula khalo entaila root over 3RT by m ani temperature ai nan vector a deciding factor chu molar mass ni tani chuni jon molar mass nei tlema piang kha temperature inanga jon molar mass nei tlema piang kha RMS speed nga tu rai tani heng gas pali hydrogen oxygen nitrogen carbon dioxide a hianin hydrogen hi molar mass a tlem bera m is least for hydrogen mo chu wang chon RMS speed kha tamber doni answer chu option A kha ani ta ni 21 ka en le taila 21 a flask contains a monoatomic and a diatomic gas in the ratio 4:1 by mass at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. The ratio of average kinetic energy per molecule of the two gases is saitani kinetic energy chu temperature ade chu ain khata chu wang chon in temperature ainan chon gas inang lo masela kinetic energy khainang doni chu wang chon answer chu 1:1 21 kha answer chu option A khani number 22 for a given gas at 1 atmospheric pressure the RMS speed of the molecules is 200 meter per second at 127 degrees Celsius ritani let T1 kha 127 degrees Celsius ani chu 2733 plus 127 ania 7 plus 3 10 7 9 10 2 3 400 Kelvin ni chuan temp T2 hi 227 degrees Celsius ani ta chu 227 plus 273 ni ta 10 7 10 2 4 500 Kelvin ni ta ni chonin T1 a hianin RMS speed kha 200 meter per second ani ta ni V1 kha 200 meter per second ani chuanin 500 Kelvin a hianin V2 kha engzan nge neng ti khamiron zo chuni ta ni le age sangai renga chu wang chonin a proportion kha angkhan lamai taila V is proportional to root T den taila V2 by V1 is equal to root over T2 by T1 ta hianin 3R by M kha chu a in cancel ve don dan tala bang chu temperature ani ta ni chuan V2 by V1 kha 200 ani ta T2 kha 500 by T1 kha 400 ani ta chuan root 5 by root 4 chu 2 ani ta ni chuan V2 chu 200 root 5 by 2 ani ta chu 100 V2 kha 100 root 5 meter per second answer chu option C kha ni le khati song kha tun February test kan nei February test question kan solve the chu ni